Walang may alam sa lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo at wala ring may alam kung paano mo kinaya lahat. Basta sa tuwing napapagod ka, tandaan mong may mga kamay na handang bumuhat sa'yo pag hindi mo na kaya. Remember, God is always with you. Sasamahan ka niya.
There's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Maybe sometimes not just enough.
If you're not ready to go home, can I get a hell no? Cause I gotta go all night, going through the sunlight.